In a previous tutorial, I introduced you to aggregate queries using the count and the sum functions. Here we're going to introduce you to the next few aggregate queries, average, min, and max. I'm still looking at the staff table from my HomeZone database, and I'm going to go ahead and just find the average salary of all of these different staff. So here we're just using the average aggregate query, passing in the salary field to get the average salary. Again, I can use the round function on this if I want, and also rename the field using the as keyword. And I can go ahead and use the min and the max aggregate queries as well, all on the same query if that's what suits me. So there I have each of the different average, the min and the max aggregate queries all working in the same query. And those 5 aggregate queries, including sum and count, they are the standard 5 aggregate queries in SQL. Many different database instances include a number of other aggregate queries as well, depending on how they're programmed. So refer to the documentation literature that's attached to your database. But for the moment, this is the average, min, and max SQL query tutorial.